Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn a new topic that is called hyperlinks in a web technology. What is our topic today? Hyperlinks. Okay, or else you can say A tag, or we are learning about A tag. What is a hyperlink? Hyperlinks is used to link one web page in and another web page. It is used to link one web page in and another web page. When you type some matter in Google, you will see lot of hyperlinks there. Means when you place your cursor, how your cursor will be? The symbol of your cursor is like this, right? It will move all around like this, okay? When you place the mouse cursor on some place, hyperlink may be a word, it may be a phrase. Phrase means not group of words, or it may be a image. Okay? By placing on it, your symbol will be like a hand symbol. You will see the hand symbol. When you place on some text, which is underlined like this. Okay? It will be underlined like this, and the symbol of the cursor is what? Hand symbol. Okay? And it is underlined. The what are a phrase or a image which is linked, okay, to another page is underlined. That is a hyperlink we say. Okay? Now let us see with an example to create a hyperlink. Here, this is a basic structure of HTML programming. I have used HTML. Okay. Head, title. What is the title I have given here? Linking web page in another web page. We can give any title. I have given this title. Why? Because I am linking one web page in another web page. Head. In head we will give title, head close. Whatever the work we are doing with the creation of web page, that will be given, the code will be given in body tag that I have already said, right? In the body I have given center. Center tag is used to locate at the center of the web page. Here in H2 format, means this is the size of the text. In H2 what I have given, creating a hyperlink. Creating a hyperlink. I have closed the H2. We learned for every tag there is a closing tag, so we have closed the H2. Here this is a tag. AHREF, click here to see another web page is there, right? So this is the tag AHREF is used to. HREF is used to what? To locate a phrase or a word or a phrase or a image to redirect to another web page. Here inverted commas open, here inverted commas close. In between we have to give the URL. What we have to give here? We have to give URL of another web page. We have to give URL of another web page. What is URL? It is uniform resource locator. Uniform resource locator. Okay. We need to give the URL of that particular another web page to which the web page to be redirected. So we have closed the center tag, body has closed, HTML is also closed. Let us see practically by taking an example. Okay. So as I said you, here is the place where you have to give the URL. Okay. So I will take the URL of this. Just a minute. So yesterday we did this first HTML program, right? So I need to redirect this web page in my web page which I am creating now. So I will copy this URL. This is called a URL, right? So what I will do, I will paste it in between the two inverted commas. So this is a URL. You can observe that file colon two backslashes C colon completely URL. Now, so where I have typed in between inverted commas, I have pasted that URL. Actually, this is a location. Where that location is a user's PC desktop, that is a URL. Whatever it may be, you have to copy and paste the URL of that particular web page. Here you have to give the word or a phrase. Okay, I have given a phrase here. Phrase means what? Group of words. Click here to see another web page. I have given click here to see another web page. Now, after giving that, you can see here. Now, this is a hyperlink tag or a tag is it's open up to here. This is a opening tag. Up to here it is a opening tag. Okay. So this is a phrase which I have given to redirect the to particular web page. This is a phrase I have to click here to see another web page. I have closed the URL here. I have closed the tag. Which tag it is? Image hyperlink tag I have closed here. Okay. I have closed the center also. Body closed. HTML is also closed here. Now, I need to save it. Alright. So already I have given by giving a tag. This is the name I have given. If you want to save it first time, you have to give a tag dot html. Why? Because I am using here hyperlink. This is a tag about a tag we are learning. That's why I have given here location should be desktop. So save. Yes, already I have given name. It is asking again. I will click on yes. Okay. So after that, you will see here a tag, right? On desktop. This is the HTML file. Okay. So if we want to execute the HTML file, we need to double click on that particular browser symbol. So I will double click here. This is the page which I have created. Okay, I have created the page. Creating a hyperlink I have given. This is a creating hyperlink. Okay, I have given in the H2, right? After that, this is a link. Click here to see another web page is a link I have given to the phrase. Okay, this is a phrase. Completely, this is a phrase which I have given. Now, I said you that it will change the cursor will change to the hand position. Here it is a cursor position is what? Arrow symbol, right? By placing on that particular phrase, the symbol will be like this. Can you see the hand symbol here now? Okay. This is a hyperlink. Okay. By looking that you can understand that this is a hyperlink. By clicking on it, you are redirected to another web page. And first time when you are visiting to a web page, if it is not visited, the color will be blue. Blue color. Hyperlink color is blue. That means what? It is not visited. It is not visited by anyone. If it is a color is a brown. If it is what? Brown color, it means what? It is visited web page. Visited web page. Okay. So you can observe there. Now, just click on it. I am clicking here. This will be redirecting to the page which I have created earlier. That is formatting text. An example of a bold text. This is an example of a strong text. This is a formula. This web page I explained in the last class about the formatting text, right? So this is executed now. It is redirecting. It is redirecting from that page to another page. Okay. Now let us say once again here. Just I have created my file. Now you can observe here. This is a page we have created. So this is a code for that page. Here creating a hyperlink I have given in header. Here title what I have given here, linking web page in another web page. Okay, this is the title I have given, and ahref URL, in place of URL I have given the already executed web page URL here. I have copied and pasted here. Click here to see another web page. This is a phrase I have given. Okay, I have closed the center, I have closed the body tag, I have closed HTML tag also. After doing, now what we need to do? We need to execute this. Okay, so directly I am double clicking on it. Here you can see, click here to see another web page. If you click on it, it will redirect to this web page. If you want to give URL of some another web page, you can give, and also you can give here the image also. In place of this phrase, in place of a phrase, you can give the location of the image, and also you can give, click on the image to redirect to another web page. This is about hyperlink topic, and about question may be asked like write about the question may be write about a tag, just simply a tag. It means what? It's a hyperlink. Okay. So this is today's class. We will see in the next class. Thank you.